Welcome to our longevity series on fixing forward head posture. This video will guide you on how to save your neck and shoulders from this common modern ailment. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the longevity series, Living a Long and Active Life.
Chapter 1. The Silent Epidemic. Millions unknowingly carry an invisible burden that grows heavier with every hour spent hunched over a screen. In a neutral position, your head weighs about 10 to 12 pounds. Just a 1-inch shift forward doubles the strain to 20 to 22 pounds. A 2 to 3-inch shift means your neck and shoulders bear 30 to 40 plus pounds of relentless burden. Meet text neck and nerd neck, the colloquial names for forward head posture, or FHP. This occurs when your head shifts forward relative to your shoulders, so your ears sit in front of the shoulder line. Even a small misalignment causes serious structural stress. The numbers don't lie. A 12-pound head in a neutral position creates an effective load of over 40 pounds with a typical 3-inch forward shift. This seemingly minor postural shift creates an extraordinary mechanical disadvantage for your spine every single day. The consequences of FHP cascade through your body. They include muscle imbalances where deep neck flexors weaken. Upper cross syndrome causes rounded shoulders, and thoracic kyphosis causes a hunched upper back. Reduced range of motion leads to stiffness and pain. Chapter 2. The Hidden Dangers. FHP goes far beyond neck discomfort. It quietly undermines your breathing, balance, and long-term vitality. The deeper impacts of FHP include chronic pain and stiffness, which result from constant strain on your vertebrae and discs. Unbalanced gait, breathing difficulties, and balance impairment are also impacts to consider. There may even be a mortality link. A 2019 review article linked FHP and thoracic kyphosis with increased mortality rates in older adults. Posture is a whole body health indicator, not just a cosmetic issue. The contrast between good posture and the tech neck effect is stark, and the consequences extend far beyond appearance. Which side are you on? FHP creates a vicious cycle. Poor posture leads to muscle imbalances, making it harder to maintain good posture, which reinforces poor posture. Breaking the cycle requires deliberate intervention, not just sitting up straight. Chapter 3. Reclaiming your posture. Correction is achievable, but it demands the right approach. Targeted strengthening, not just passive stretching. The power of active stabilization requires you to lengthen tight muscles and activate weak ones. This dual approach of active stabilization and targeted strengthening is often the missing link in neck rehab. Calisthenics offers an equipment-free solution. Targeted stretches restore natural alignment. Strength training reactivates dormant muscles using only your body weight. Mindful movement helps embed posture awareness into daily life. The core protocol includes 3 foundational exercises: deep neck flexor activation, scapular retraction, and thoracic extension. These target the deep stabilizers, counteract rounded shoulders, and combat thoracic stiffness. First, engage the deep neck flexors. The longus colli and longus capitis are the primary stabilizers of your cervical spine. Perform chin tucks against a wall for proprioceptive feedback, holding for 5 to 10 seconds, repeated 10 to 15 times daily. Next, focus on strengthening underactive muscles. Target your cervical erector spinae to hold your head upright. Strengthen the lower trapezius and rhomboids to pull shoulder blades back. Finally, practice head position awareness, retracting your head over your shoulders throughout the day. For advanced training, consider the iron neck approach. This innovative system uses dynamic, controlled resistance through a full range of motion. It builds strength in all planes: flexion, extension, lateral, and rotation to protect long-term spinal health. Building a resilient cervical spine is more than just fixing posture. It is a foundation for lifelong physical performance, injury prevention, and neurological health. Chapter 4. A New Stance on Life. Exercises are just the beginning. Lasting correction happens when good posture becomes a lifestyle, not just a workout routine. Lifestyle integration is key. Optimize your workspace ergonomics by raising your monitor and aligning your desk. Improve device habits by holding your phone at eye level and taking movement breaks. Practice mindful movement with a quick daily posture scan. You'll see a visible transformation, an improved profile, reduced pain in the neck and shoulders, and enhanced well-being, including better breathing and mental clarity. The before and after is real. Correcting FHP leads to one of the most visually dramatic physical transformations possible without surgery or medication. Addressing FHP is a longevity investment. It reduces cumulative wear on your discs and joints and is linked to better breathing and cognitive function as you age. Take control of your neck and your future. Start today with basic exercises. Seek professional guidance for a personalized plan and reclaim your posture to live a longer, more vibrant life.